In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Spotify playing random songs on its own. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, Spotify playing random songs is usually not a ghost in the machine, but rather the result of three specific features: Smart Shuffle, Autoplay, or a compromised account token. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Spotify application. Let's say I'm playing something. Let me just go ahead and click on it. And all I'm going to see is like that Smart Shuffle button. All I want to do is go ahead and disable it. And right now it's green. So all I'm going to do is turn it off, which is going to be exactly what you want. Next thing you want to go ahead and do is turn off autoplay. So click on your profile on the top left, then go over to settings and privacy. Now, once you're there, go over to playback, which is going to be the fourth option, and scroll down until you find autoplay. All you want to go ahead and do is toggle this off right there, and that's it. That's exactly all you want to do. And then once you do that, you'll be good to go, and you're basically, it's not going to start playing random songs on its own. For example, when your playlist finishes, providing you don't have a setting where it's going to like loop or anything, it's going to automatically stop and it's not going to start playing random things. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.